do this. Now, if I want to take both of these and add all of those emails to a single array, remember that I can append to an existing array. AR all emails equals return, there we go, str text1. I'm going to do it a little different than that. I'm going to create an empty array, and then I'm going to say AR all emails append. And then if I do it with this, and then I can print AR all emails, and it should have all of those emails in there. So now it's got all of those, except I don't want two separate subarrays. I've got nested arrays here, so I don't want that. So what is the command to join two arrays together? Does anybody remember? Look at me Google this right in front of you. That's how we do it. Join list. No. Stack Overflow, you're failing me right now. It says plus. I'm not really. Let's just try this and see what it does. According to this, that should work, but it's not the way I was thinking. So if I just return each one and put a plus sign inside of them, it says it's going to work. Let's see if it does. What do you know? That actually works. Well, that's super easy. You know what though? I don't like, still got a sub array in here. So I'm not really happy with that. I'm just gonna go like this. This is what's called iterating, folks, because sometimes you don't know the exact answer and you have to play around or look something up. And honestly, been teaching this class for a very long time, but I still look things up all the time. So don't be embarrassed about doing that, or even asking ChatGPT, hey, how do you do this? Because guess what? That's how you get to an answer quickly. If I was like wanting to pretend like I knew everything, then I wouldn't do that in front of you or on video, but I'm going to. And you can see that was a pretty quick way to get to the right answer, okay? But it helps that I know a little bit about what might work and what won't work. But this is a nice way to, you can see, put both of these together into a single array, okay? And that's because what it's returning is an array type. So when I appended those, it just added those as individual elements inside the array, which isn't really what I wanted. Because now I have this all in one place, and I can start thinking about my next function, right? Which is the one that removes the duplicates in the list. How can I remove the duplicates? You can see there's duplicates here. I want to get an array without duplicates. So that's going to be another function. And then the last one says, does the list you came up with have any matches with these? Which of those addresses matches something in the list of emails that you extracted from the text? So that is A8. And I'm going to let you puzzle with the other two pieces. But you can see if you start taking these complex problems and you break them down and you add a little bit and you iterate and you test and use the debugger, which will help you in this, you'll get to a solution relatively quickly. There's nothing wrong with, and in fact, it's part of the process to play around and try things out and look things up and get some wrong answers along the way. That is not failure, that's learning. So just keep that in mind, okay? So lots of time left today to work on this. Well, not a ton, like 20 minutes, 25 minutes. But